Alright guys, I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial about how to join the Kinetics art and music classrooms on Google Classroom. Okay, so I've posted many times the links to the codes to these classrooms here, so you can see the art code for today. I'm just going to highlight and copy that link. Okay, so the next step, once you've copied the link of the classroom that you'd like to join, you are to go up here and select these three lines. By the way, you can watch this video and pause it as many times as you'd like until you figure it out. So I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to click on classes. Once you've clicked on classrooms, so I've already joined, so that's why music is up here for me, and Kinetics as well. But if you have not joined yet, then you're going to click this plus symbol here and click on join class. That would be when you enter in the code and you click join. After that, it should you should be joined, and then if you'd like to go back in, I'm just going to go back to our room and show you. So once you've joined, all you have to do is click on these three lines, classes. First of all, yours might be over here, but if yours is not, you click classes, and there you have it. So this is the music room. Today we're going to art, I believe, so do your best. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.